everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney if you're new here. In today's video I'm going to show you a couple ways that I like to style my dreads. So I have a lot of hair, not a lot of hair, but I have non-dreaded hair on top and then everything else is dreaded underneath. So sometimes I just keep it like this, but if I want to do something a little different, I will just kind of take some of them, like half, and leave as many like down that I want. And I'll just take just a regular hair tie and kind of get it. I'll leave some of the hair down and just keep the top part up, and I'll either just do like a quick top knot, and then with a couple stragglers, because I like to keep it pretty messy, I'll just take a couple of dreads, tie it in a knot just to hide that hair tie, and then I'm good. You can put it to the side. Sometimes I'll take them what's down. God, my vocabulary is shot today. Well, every day. And I'll kind of put it into, I won't kind of do it, I will put it into a braid. And then you can just take another hair tie and just tie it at the bottom. Anyway, I don't know if this is too low because you can't really see what I'm doing. Maybe if you can see my whole head, that might be better. Yeah, okay. So that's one way. Another way, if I want it to be all the way up, I'll just take the dreads that are loose and again, just tie it in a knot. So I'm just going over that bun that I made at the top before, and I'm going to tie another knot in the back. And then that just adds volume. I like a big coif. And then anything that's kind of dangling that you don't want to, I don't mind things that are sticking out, but you can just tuck them. And you have an updo. Pretty easy. What's another one? Then you can always add scarves. I'm not really a big scarf person unless it's around my neck. But I find that when you knot your hair, it stays up pretty well. And then you don't have to worry about adding like bobby pins. You can, or clips, or more hair ties, but another thing that I do when I have to keep my hair back or if I'm working out. Okay. Don't panic, okay. I'll just take it all back. I also like this look when you just put it all back into a low pony, but kind of like what I did on top, just take all the dreads and that hair tie, I'll just kind of make a lower bun, and I'll keep some of it loose. And I'll again just take a couple of pieces, tie it to secure it, and then you have that, and then it's out of your face. Yeah, so that's just a couple ways that you can style your dreads. Just wanted to shoot a quick video because I always like watching videos of different things to do with my hair, and yeah, that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.